Six-pack abs is a dream of everyone. Everybody wants to get rid of their flabby stomach and try to feel good for themselves. So if you are wanting to remove the paunched belly and get a chiseled body like Adonis, you need to plan some workout routines. And we are here to help you. In this video, you'll be seeing some beginner's exercises for six-pack abs. But before we move forward, a big thank you to all our subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, press the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest videos. Alright, let's go. Number 7. Planks. Plank is the most effective exercise which can help in your increasing core strength. For planks, you need to get in a push-ups position but hold your weight on your forearms. The most important thing is to tighten your belly muscles for better results. For beginners, try to stay in plank for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, and do it again for 5 minutes. As you increase your stamina, increase the time duration to 1 minute. Planks also help in strengthening arms, legs, and hips. Number 6. Russian twists. Now sit down and hold your legs in the air. Move your upper body from right to left, all the while keeping your legs in the air. Russian twists help in strengthening core muscles, the obliques, shoulders, and hips. You have to perform them in 3 repetitive 25 sets. It will also improve posture and helps in building six-pack abs. Remember to tighten your belly while sitting and performing Russian twists. Number 5. Bird dog. Bird dog is another simple exercise which can be done easily at home. Besides helping in building six-pack abs, bird dog also improves balance, relieves back pain, and proper posture. You have to get on your all fours and reach your left arm out while lifting the right leg. Hold out for 15 seconds and then switch. Reach out your right arm and left leg in the air. Continue this exercise for 3 sets and 12 repetitions. Number 4. Jumping jacks. Now stand back straight with your arms at your side. Jumping jacks is a cardio exercise, so your heart rate would likely increase. However, an increase in heart rate promotes the burning of calories and fats. For the exercise, go from standing straight to moving your arms around your head and legs wide open. Jump back again to straight positions and repeat. As beginners, you should start with a less intensive workout, do 2 sets of 25 repetitions. But if you have the stamina, you can continue up to 50 to 60 reps in each set. Number 3. Leg raises. Get back on your bed and down straight for a minute. After that, raise your legs at a 90-degree angle, tighten your core muscles, and place your hands beneath your hips. Start to lower your legs while lying down. Raise them up to a 90-degree angle once again. Continue this exercise for 3 sets and 10 repetitions for strengthening and toning of your legs and lower abdomen. Plus point. You can do this exercise in bed anytime. Number 2. Basic crunch. Basic crunch targets your obliques and lower abdomen to build muscle. It is a popular and simple exercise to gain six-packs. For this, keep lying on your bed and plant your feet with a hip-width distance. Bend your knees and place your arms behind your head. Tighten your belly and lift your body till your upper body meets the legs. Repeat it for 3 sets and 10 reps. Number 1. Flutter kicks. Another bed exercise apt to burn belly fat and give you a toned stomach. It is cardio exercise and will work wonders to reduce fat from the whole body while building six-pack abs. For flutter kicks, lie straight on bed or mat and keep your arms at your side. Contract your abdomen muscles and lift your right leg. Consequently, raise your left leg and continue mimicking this swimming pose for 3 sets and 10 repetitions. And that's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments if you tried these exercises with us or continued to stay in bed. Hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay healthy and harmonious.